Shenzhen Benefitbee-A Industry Company Limited is located in prosperous city, Shenzhen, China. Established in 2011, we're standing corporate member of China Beekeeping Equipment Committee. We're a professional manufacturer of full-range beekeeping tools, integrating design, development, production, and export. Our production facility is located in World Knife City, Yangjiang, Guangdong, furnished with most advanced manufacturing technology and strong supporting industry advantages in China. We possess complete tooling and manufacturing equipments for hardware, plastic, fabrics, and woodware. Our annual production capability includes 1 million beekeeping knives, 500,000 pieces of metal queen excluders, 1 million pieces of hive tool, 100